What's going on, guys? Today we are installing some LED headlights. Massive thank you to Lasfit Headlights for sending over these LED bulbs for my 19 Crosstrek. Greatly appreciate it. I've had them for about 3 weeks now. Been driving with them. I wanted to see how they perform. So a massive thank you to those guys. They make awesome LED product. They make headlights, taillights, fog lights. They also make awesome bicolor fog lights, which I want to try next. So we're gonna throw these in today, and I'll show you guys the output of them. First step, you're gonna pop the hood. Now, doing the passenger side first, you gotta remove this snorkel here. So it's these two little pop rivets. Just gently unscrew them. Gently pop these guys out. Then you can remove this snorkel piece. Then you're going after the bulb all the way in the back there. Disconnect the connector and simply twist the bulb out. For reinstallation, take your LED bulb, install it like that, and then plug in the connector. As you can tell, this is a halogen bulb and this is an LED bulb. The LED bulb has a massive heatsink as well as a cooling fan. Halogen bulb doesn't. Now we're gonna pull the driver's side stock bulb, and then we're gonna install the Lasfit LED bulb. Once you got your stock bulb out, simply just replace it with an LED bulb. As you can see, they work, and goddamn, they are bright. So now I'll cut to a scene of driving at night with them. They're bright as hell. So now that everything works, we can go ahead and reinstall the snorkel. But that's it, super easy install of the Lasfit LED headlights for my 19 Crosstrek. I'm gonna put a little code here for 10% off, as well as in the description where you can buy these directly. Again, massive thank you guys to Lasfit LED. They're out in LA. Trail Trek turned me on to them guys. Awesome people to deal with, super friendly. Wish me a happy new year and happy holidays. So again, go check them out. Also check out the bicolor fog lights, super cool. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Check out my Instagram. Check out their Instagram. Check out all the cool social media. But awesome. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next one.